Beneath the surface we know, seen, a world so dark, so vast, that sunlight has never touched it. And in this abyss, life does not just survive, it transforms. Creatures emerge that seem torn from the edge of nightmares, yet they are real. And the deeper we go, the stranger it becomes. At 1,000 meters below, the pressure is crushing, hundreds of times greater than at the surface. Any human would be flattened instantly. But here, animals have evolved bodies that bend, stretch, and collapse, and so life has learned to create its own light. Tiny organisms pulse with eerie glows. Anglerfish dangle lures tipped with living lanterns. Prey is drawn in by the hypnotic dance of illumination and swallowed whole. Bioluminescence is not just a trick, it is survival in the most unforgiving theater on Earth. But why do some species produce light in intricate patterns while others remain invisible? Scientists are only beginning to map this glowing symphony, and what we've discovered only deepens the mystery. Deeper still, evolution becomes extreme. Here, the monstrous shapes of the giant squid, the fangtooth, and the viperfish are not exaggeration, they are necessity. Teeth grow impossibly long, jaws swing wide, and eyes swell to the size of dinner plates. Every adaptation is a gamble. To catch prey, to avoid predators, to endure an environment that would kill most life instantly. Yet each adaptation raises a larger question. What unseen predator shaped these forms into something we can scarcely imagine? Even with decades of deep-sea exploration, every camera drop brings a new revelation. Sometimes it shows creatures so strange they seem to challenge the very definition of life. At the very bottom, where darkness is complete and pressure unimaginable, the rules of biology blur. Creatures live for centuries, move at glacial speed, and reproduce in ways we barely comprehend. Scientists still don't know how some survive without food for years. Others seem to glow, communicate, or hunt in ways that defy understanding. Each discovery hints at a hidden logic, a world governed by extremes, not convenience. And the more we uncover, the more we realize how little we truly know. For every strange life form captured on camera, dozens more vanish back into the shadows, leaving only questions and awe. The deep ocean is a mirror to our own ignorance, a realm of nightmares, beauty, and endless wonder. It reminds us that no matter how much we explore, most of the Earth's life remains unseen, unknowable, waiting in the darkness. And perhaps that is why it feels so alien, because it is a world that exists without us, entirely on its own terms. We may never understand it fully, and maybe that is exactly as it should be.